Hi students and parents. Let's walk through how to view announcements in the student portal. Announcements keep you updated on important school news, events, and reminders, so checking them regularly ensures you never miss out. Let's dive in. There are two ways to view announcements, through the dashboard or the announcements page. First, if you prefer a quick glance at the latest updates, the announcements widget on your dashboard provides a summary of the most recent posts. Each announcement shows a title and a brief preview of the message. Second, for a more detailed view and interaction, the announcements page lets you browse all past and current updates in one place. To start, head to the navigation menu and select Announcements. This will open the Announcements section, where you'll see all current and past updates listed in chronological order, starting with the most recent. Each announcement includes a title, brief snippet, posting date, and options to interact with it. You can like an announcement to acknowledge it or leave a comment if feedback is allowed. Simply type your response in the comment box and submit. It will appear below the post, making it visible to others for discussion or clarification. If you need to find a specific announcement, use the search bar at the top of the page. Staying informed is key, and through announcements makes it easy to keep up with what's happening in your school. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.